So I have been sent a wonderful big box of goodies from Dryad Education. They are the company that do the specialist crafts range. I know that lots of art teachers use them. My department certainly uses them. So they said they'd send me a catalogue and some stuff. And this box is so heavy. I'm so excited to see what's inside of it. So I'm going to open it up and take a look. There's the catalogue. Look at that later. Woo! This is looking exciting. So there is some acrylic paint. Okay, so we've got 3 of the same colour, but it says free flow, standard, and premium. So I shall be curious to try those to see what sort of the difference there is. That lovely yellow colour, that's going to be useful. So Specialist Crafts acrylic, that's in the standard range, so a nice box there. So I'll have fun trying those. Interesting colours too. Some colours that we don't always order there, so that'll be fun. Oh, pens, Spectrum Permanent Artist pens in assorted colours. They look a little bit like Sharpies, but they're the Spectrum range. I personally love drawing in pen. I like to pause the telly and draw faces, so I shall experiment with those. Fantastic. 12 assorted. Oh, soft pastels, lucky me. Okay, they're going to be useful. You can see that there's going to be some new resources coming to the Arty Teacher soon, thanks to all of this. Ooh, graphite pencils. There's a little set of 3 there. So they're the sort of pencil which are completely solid lead, all of those, and there's sort of a thin one and a fat one there. So wonderful. So can you see that that's just got a bit of tape covering the end? So I'm just going to give that a bit of a sharpen. Now we're cooking on gas. And then I wrongly said that these were graphite pencils, but these are actually charcoal pencils in medium, soft and hard. Now I like these because these are plastic coated, so they would keep your fingers clean. Look how lovely black they are. So this is the soft. Medium. Oh, big difference actually. Soft is really soft and the medium is a lot harder. And then the hard. So for all that fine detail, the hard would be good, wouldn't it? Very thick pencils, these say. Very thick pencils. Let's just take a look. And artist quality graphite pencils, and they're 6 assorted ones. So that's the sort of thing that you could put in a student pack, isn't it? If you do GCSE or A-level packs, that would be useful. Watercolour pencils. Now, do you know, I don't use those that much, so I'm going to have a little play with those, see what I can come up with. Some departments do. Oh, another one with watercolour pencils. I think they are the same, lucky me. And a little pack of ordinary coloured pencils. Now I'm going to be interested to see the quality of those, to see how soft they are. I really like soft pencils where you can gradate and blend, so I shall explore those. Okay, so Spectrum Broad felt tips there, fibre pens, so I'll have to experiment. Oh, lovely Mod Rock. We use a lot of that in our department. You can use Mod Rock. So this is the plaster that's the sort of bandage that's sort of impregnated with plaster. You can use that for 3D projects. We can also use it to build up surfaces on canvas. When I do that, I do a mixture of half water, half PVA, and you can mould and shape it. Wonderful for sort of organic forms on canvases. Oh, a new palette. That could be for printing or for mixing acrylic. It's just one big open space. And oh, a handy Pritt stick, or glue stick in this case. And I'm fussy about that. Are you? I usually buy Pritt. So let's see how this compares, because I hate it when things fall off the page. And printing ink, block printing ink. Okay, I shall take that to school. I think this is the brand we buy anyway. So that's Specialist Crafts printing ink. What else have I got? God, I was not expecting this much. This is amazing. So I've got a sketchbook as well. So this to me looks like the sort of sketchbook that we would buy at Key Stage 3. Let's find my craft knife and I'll open it. It doesn't say anywhere on here. Oh, okay. No, that's good. I was wondering how thick the paper was going to be. And this looks like good drawing paper. So happy with that. Fantastic. Ooh, there's more. One more thing. I've got a sample set of brushes. See there? It looks like we got some bristle brushes and some watercolor brushes. So there's a good range in there. Brilliant. Always fabulous to get new brushes. Thank you, Dryad Education. Marvellous.